Hi, welcome to Info Audit channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to have quick understanding on accounting. Okay, let's take a look at what we have today. So, what is accounting? Accounting is record transactions and present them in the financial statements. How is the accounting process? It's like the cooking process. Let's begin with the similarity between cooking process and accounting process. In cooking process, step 1, cooking food, while in accounting process, step 1, cooking or record transactions. Step 2 in cooking process, put or group cook food on the dishware or flatware, while in accounting process, step 2, put or group transaction records on the so-called dishware for transaction records. Step 3 in cooking process, serving dishes or put the dishware on the serving table, while in accounting process, serving or present records or put so-called the dishware of recorded transactions on the so-called serving table. In the next slide, we will answer the questions. What is so-called dishware for recorded transactions? And what is so-called serving table for presenting records? Now, the similarity between cooking norms and accounting norms. In cooking process, step 1, cooking food. Cooking process norms consist of cooking principles and recipes, while in accounting process, cooking or record transactions, accounting process norms consist of generally accepted accounting principles and accounting manual. To be obeyed, accounting principles are standardized. For examples, in Indonesia, financial accounting standards issued by the Institute of Indonesian Public Accountants and government accounting standards issued by Indonesian government, in this case government regulation number 71 year 2010. Now, the similarity between dishware for cooked food and so-called dishware for recorded transactions. In cooking process, dishware or tableware consists of serving dishes, glassware, plates, bowl, etc. In accounting process, dishware or tableware in accounting is called accounts, such as cash, accounts receivable, accounts payable, equity, sales, etc. Now, the similarity between serving dishes and serving or present records. In cooking process, step 3, types of serving table includes reception service, buffet service, etc. In accounting process, serving table in accounting is called financial statements such as balance sheet, income statements, statement of cash flows, statements of return earnings, etc. So financial statements are the presentation of cooked transactions grouped in accounts. And audit on the financial statements we call to assess the fair presentation of the financial statements. In the next slide, we can see example of auditor's opinion. Okay, here is the example of auditor's opinion. Here stated that the financial statements present fairly in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.